Now see the next question. X and Y are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of X and Y are partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. X surrender 1/8 of his share, and Y surrender 1/6 of his share, 1/6 of his share, 6th of his share in favor of Z. In favor of Z, who is the new partner? In favor of Z. X surrender 1/8 of his share in favor of Z, and Y surrender 1/6 share in favor of Z. Okay, find out the new ratio. So first of all, how much the X has surrendered? X has sacrificed. X sacrifices. X share is 5/8. Out of his share, he has surrendered 1/8 of his share, means 5/64. He has sacrificed. Y has sacrificed. Y share is 3/8, and he has sacrificed 1/6 of his share. So it is 3/48. 3/48. So the new ratio is old ratio minus sacrifice. So X old ratio is 5/8, and he has sacrificed 5/64. So LCM is 64. (35/64). Y old ratio is 3/8, and he has sacrificed 3/48. LCM is 48. (15/48). 15/48. And if X and Y sacrifice this and this, so Z share will be the combination of the both the partner who has sacrificed. 5/64 is sacrificed by X, and 3/48 is sacrificed by Y. So we will add it. We will do the addition. Okay. LCM will be 64. 5 plus 4. 9/64. 9/64. So the new ratio will be X 35/64, X, Y 15/48, and Z 9/64. 9/64. Okay, 9/64. I'm going to make the denominator equal. I'm going to make the denominator equal. So it is 35 by 64, 3 by 16 and 9 by 64. Now if I am going to make the denominator equal, going to multiply to 4. So it is 35 by 64, 12 by 64 and 9 by 64. So 35 is to 12 is to 9. 5 sorry 5, it is 20, it is 20. So the new ratio is 35, new ratio is 35 is to 20 is to 9. Okay, now see the next question. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted as a partner. A and B surrender 1/2 means half of their respective share in favor of C. Find out the new ratio and also sacrificing ratio. So question is clear? See the question, try to understand how to calculate and the method of how you will calculate and apply, which method will be applied over here. Question once again, A and B are partners, sharing profit ratio. A and B are partners, sharing profit ratio 3:2. C is admitted as a new partner. C is admitted as a new partner. He is the new partner. A and B surrender 1/2 of his share. 1/2 of his share in favor of C. He has surrendered 1/2 and he has also surrendered 1/2. So we have to find out the sacrifice. A's sacrifice. First of all, A's sacrifice. A's share is 3/5. He has surrendered 1/2 means 3/10. B's sacrifice is, B's share is 2/5. He has also sacrificed 1/2. So it is 2/10. Okay. So sacrificing ratio is 3:2. 3:2. Now come to the new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing. So first of all, A old ratio is 3/5 and he has sacrificed 3/10. So it is 10. 6 minus 3, 3/10. B 2/5 minus 2/10 sacrificed. 10 is the LCM. 4 minus 2, 2/10. And the new partner share will be, new partner is getting C's share will be the sacrifice made by A and sacrifice made by B. So it is 10. 3 plus 2, 5/10. Both the partner has, A has sacrificed this, B has sacrificed this. So total share of C is 5/10. So new ratio is 3:2 is to 5. 3:2 is to 5 is the new ratio. Okay, 3:2 is to 5 is the new ratio.